Hello students, now I am going to share about advantages of management information system. So, management information system helps the managers to make planning and control decisions. So management information system that helps the managers to make planning and control decisions. The second one, facilitated planning. Management information system improve the quality of plans by providing relevant information for sound decision making due to increase in size and complexity of an organization. Managers have lost personal contact with these scenes of operations. So this is the facilitated planning. So management information system improve the by quality of plans by providing level information for sound decision making due to increase in size and complexity of organization. Managers have lost personal contact with these scenes of operation. So minimize information overload. Minimize information overload. So management information system changes the large amount of data into summarized form and thereby avoids the confusion which may arise when managers are flooded with detailed facts. Next one, bring coordination. Management information system facilities integration of specialized activities by keeping each department and aware of the problem and requirement of their departments. It connects all decision centers in the organization. Bring coordination. So nothing but facilitate integration of specialized activities. Next one, make control easier. It serves as a link between managerial planning and control. It serves as a link between managerial planning and control. So it improves the ability of management. It improves the ability of management to evaluate and improve performance. So the use of computer has increased the data processing and storage capability and reduce the cost. That is to make control easier. So it serves as a link between managerial planning and control. So that is improve the ability of management to evaluate and improve performance. The management information system assembles, processes, stores, retrieves, evaluates, and disseminate the information. It ensures that the management information system ensure that appropriate data is collected from the various sources processed and sent further to all the leading destinations. So it is collected appropriate data from various sources, processed and sent further to all the leading destinations. So management information system helps in strategic planning, management control, operational control and the transaction processing. So it's help in strategic planning, management control, operational control and transaction processing. It is help the clerical personnel. It is help the clerical personnel in transaction processing and answer their queries on the data pertaining to the transaction, the status of the particular record and a reference on a variety of documents. Thank you.